Hello, 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 hello. It's Debbie C. I just wanted to let y'all see. This is like the road that goes down there. There's only one or two houses down there. Y'all see what I'm saying? My friend's trying to tell me that Bigfoot's gonna get us tonight. Look at all the woods. I might have my camera too wide. I do. Sorry, guys. But yeah, it's pretty nice out here. It's so, y'all hear it's so quiet. And there's the cabin that we rented. And look way down here. You going that's where the bears come through, ain't it, guys? Because they said there's a problem with black bears in here. So that's probably where they're coming at. But I had to give my girlfriend a break. I've been running my mouth all day. I said I'll walk outside for a minute. No, she was talking to her daughter. Talking to her daughter talk. Then we got a nice little back patio. And then we got, what is this? Oh my God. And it's already preheated. Because you know what I'm getting ready to do. Sound like I just shot somebody, didn't it? Yeah, it's hot. I was 100 degrees in there. That was me, Lori. Oh shit, that's a big drop off. There's actually a house close to us, so I'm walking behind the cabin. So there's another one right there. So if the boogeymans do get us, maybe somebody will come and help us, you know. And then there's another one over there. But y'all can see way back there. Let's see if I can get it. See the mountains way back there? It's pretty. I want to walk down this road, but she could be tripping if she knows I'm gone and left her with the door unlocked. They're so cute. That one looks nice too. Well, they have a couple that's vacant. Oh, there's only one left down here. So I don't want to go down there bothering them. But at least y'all can see the mountains though. And you can see all the lights over there. I don't know if I can zoom it in good enough. I'm sure I can, but it's phone. But man, it hurts to walk down this damn. I'd be busting my ass if I had a couple beers. I can't even walk straight. I gotta stop. See all the mountains out there? Looks pretty nice. That house right there looks nice to rent. It's right down there, nobody can see you. I swear I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it back up. Look at this hill. That's how far I had to walk up. Y'all see that? Do y'all think I could really do that shit? Hell yeah. Oh my God. I need to do this a couple times a day. Might tighten up my booty butt. I'm just joking, y'all. So we're gonna go see Hatfield and McCoy. I don't know if I mentioned that, but we're gonna go see Hatfield and McCoy. I don't know if it's tomorrow. I think it is tomorrow. And Eddie mentioned something to me about a glass bridge. I want to see that. And we're supposed to go do something else. And actually, we're thinking about going to. They have a couple of places that's free. Not that I drink moonshine or liquor, but just to go in there to see how it's made and shit. It'd have been interesting. Even though we do have one in Charleston. This is Tennessee, right? Y'all, if a black bear came running after me right now and I couldn't get away and I pushed upload, y'all would see that bear eat me, right? What if they are in the trees, though, for real? Does black bears climb in trees? Yeah, but see, this is pretty cute. It's not big because it's just me and her. Really sweet. Really nice. I'm scared to walk down that road. And see, it's only one way up and one way down. But I know it's getting cold out here, and I didn't bring nothing but, damn. I thought it was gonna be warm like home. And then the man just gave me the code, and I can't remember the code number already. So, see, that's not my Coca-Cola.
I love you, honey. I just wanted to let you know we were here and I wanted to make sure we're okay. And if you need to get to the apartment for any reason, you got to tell me a messenger now.
They have a
Just let yourself in, okay?
tub in the living room with glass. Ooh.
Well, I love you.
We're
I'll
gonna-
talk to you tomorrow.
What are we going to do about that situation? Because there's a TV and a fireplace.
Please do. I am.
Jordan, I love you.
Debbie says she loves you.
Tell her to check out my video. And
Check out her video. She did a video. It's hilarious. You got it. You have to look at it. Oh, it's on YouTube, right, Debbie?
I'm getting ready to post another one right now.
Yes, she's getting ready to post another one. One was when we really got lost. It was absolutely a hoot.
I think I cussed or something on that one, so I had to.
You could hear me talking because I was freaking out.
Oh, that's right.
Freaking out.
So I'm going to cook us some steaks on the grills, buddy. So, she said, whatever my heart content for my birthday. You know, I miss y'all. I might get on there and stream with y'all for a few minutes, but I'm going to upload this first. I just wanted y'all to know I love y'all and I miss y'all. But, you know, I couldn't give up this. She's never been in the woods like this before. I have. All right, guys. I love y'all.